Hello guys and welcome to my new video, and today in this video I'm going to show you a word comparison between DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Let's make this video by doing three tasks here. So first task number one, so we will ask ChatGPT and DeepSeek to generate a well-developed blog post promoting GoDaddy products. Let's see DeepSeek. So here we will use DeepSeek Think R1 and click. So also we can ask ChatGPT too. So paste and click. So let's see the good result between DeepSeek and ChatGPT. This is the title, introduction, and the HO heading. So and examples, here is the link. So I think this is also the link, yes, directly from GoDaddy domains, yes, and also yes, some more example. ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is the blog post. So the title, yes, and the heading, the link. So and the final too. So let's discover the final result about the story Old Woman and the Ocean Story. So here is about ChatGPT. So this is very simple, like 7 scene. So let's take a look on DeepSeek. So here is DeepSeek story. So the title, Gene, inspirational, fable, magical realism, length 10-minute script. So here opening scene, quiet beach and sunset. Narrator was over, number 1, 2, yes, scene number 3. Here's like dialogue between Mara, yes, villagers. Scene number 4, the wave, we have here Lena, Mara. Scene number 5, villager 1, Lena. So let's see which AI chat tool give me the image. So yes, I have no idea why DeepSeek doesn't generate any images. So he give me like some of website like Leonardo AI, Pink Image Creator. So however, in the other hand, ChatGPT give me some AI images. So I think yes, it's amazing. Yes, I don't know why this DeepSeek doesn't generate any photo. So for example, yes, I usually use Grok for generating imaging. For example, here you can ask about. So here is the images. Yes, I think it's quick to respond any images. So this is like real images. So guys, this is the final result and the last task. So asking about HTML code with 3 different banners. So here is the result about DeepSeek. So let's see the designed HTML code. So here then the first banner, and level up your career, explore courses, and 3, learn practice Excel. So let's get started. So here, so it's give me direct to my website. Yes, excellent. So let's now take a look and see ChatGPT result. So here is the, so for testing this HTML code, yes, I need to copy this and open a new article on my website and paste it here and see here the preview. So here is HTML code generated by ChatGPT. So let's click on visit now. So it guides me to my website homepage. Yeah, so I think yes, DeepSeek give me an amazing example of code and banners, to be honest. So here is the three difference. So here join. Let's explore the courses. Yes, this is my website homepage. So guys, so what do you think about DeepSeek and ChatGPT? Yes,